Hey there. So let's talk about a common problem many Excel users face when dealing with matching dates in two different tables. The problem we have here is that we have two tables, each with duplicate IDs, and we need to find the transaction date _2, that is the nearest occurrence after transaction date _1 for each ID. This can be a bit tricky to figure out, especially when dealing with multiple duplicates. But worry not, as I have a neat solution for you. By using a combination of functions like sort by, ABS, and iferror, we can effectively match transaction date _2 with the nearest occurrence after transaction date _1 in a seamless way. In simpler terms, the formula provided will help you identify the closest transaction date _2 for each ID in the second table based on the transaction date _1 in the first table. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but without all the hassle. So, next time you find yourself scratching your head over date matching in Excel, remember this nifty solution that can save you a lot of time and frustration. It's like having a date matching wizard right at your fingertips. Well, I hope this solution has shed some light on this common Excel dilemma for you. Remember, Excel formulas may seem complex at first, but once you crack the code, they can make your life much easier. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite Excel pun. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.